Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you this exceptional online shop tool called Shopware. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about this product, and we'll try to find out if it's worth the money, if you are willing to spend it. So, what is Shopware? Shopware is an ideal tool to create an online shop that meets the changing demands of e-commerce. The tool helps to create interactive shopping expertise and unlimited connection possibilities for the owner. The user can meet the dynamic needs of e-commerce, leverage growth potential, and focus on the perfect customer experience. It has several out-of-the-box features for smooth globalization of their user business. Shopware's modular architecture enables users to launch quickly. The scalable, fully customizable platform gives the user significant flexibility when it comes to adapting the software to meet your specific business requirements. Its dealer integration module allows users to create and manage storefronts for resellers and drop shippers. Compelling feature for those who work with distributors or third-party sellers. The platform's key features are intuitive and have extremely rich content management capabilities, drag-and-drop design layouts, comprehensive multi-store, and flexible product and catalog management tools. As you can see, their website is very easy to read. It's clean. There's by any means, it's not busy, and you will find anything in there that you probably need. If you want to find out what is it worth, you have to contact sales. But as I'll show you in a minute, you can do a lot of stuff on free version as well. So let's go and jump into my account that I created just like a few minutes ago to show you how it's done or how it looks. As you can see, we have a trial that is up for 14 days. Then you can choose the plan. You can book the plan for free. Then we have advanced one and professional. So if you're a bigger business and you have some employees doing work for you, the professional one is a nice way to go. Then you can just book the plan, and if you're alone, as you can see, in my opinion, you can do well with free plan. There are support tickets that you are not included in additional support channel, and you can see there's a chat, additional sales channels, and then of course flow builders are everywhere. So as I said, if you are a small business or you are like army of one and you want to just sell some nice little things, if you are, I don't know, if you have time and you are making some handworks and you just want to try to sell them and see how it goes, the free plan is more than enough for you. So how do we start? As you can see, you have some kind of a ladder, so you can create a product, add up your branding, fulfill legal requirements, create an individual shop design, and set up shipping and payments. So let's start with categories. As you can see, you have your category. We can go with, for example, art, and entry points, main navigation. Yeah, I know we'll get to create it later, but let's jump in. Let's go to products. It's very easy to create a product at Shopware. All you have to do here is start away with add product. Title, let's go with painting of winter. Manufacturers, well, you don't have any manufacturer because if you're doing it yourself. Very nice painting. Please buy it. Now we can go with the standard rate. If you're, for example, with a disability, you can apply for reduced rate or super reduced rate. So let's go with standard. Price, let's go for 100. Which is, if you keep this lock locked, it will automatically transfer the VAT out of it. Purchase price 150. List price 150. You can check the currency depending, but I chose euros. But you can, as you can see, link it. Deliverability. There is one in stock. It's not a clearance sale. Delivery time 1 to 3 days. Restock. Never. Oh, okay, come on. Okay, 5 days. Minimum order quality is 1. 1, 1. Now we have sales channels. Storefront. Categories. Let's go with my store. We don't have to use tags or keywords, or we can go with winter or yeah. Now we can upload the picture. Well, actually you will be surprised, but I'm just making this up. About the painting, there is no painting, so we can basically upload file. Let's go with this one. And you see, there's a little bit of winter in the back. Labeling. And that's it. We can save it. And as you can see, if we go with products, you can see that we have in our stock one painting of a winter. Product number, you can change it anytime. What's the next steps? You can also have reviews, categories. At the moment, it's only one category. Then dynamic product groups, properties, manufacturers. We have an overview, but we don't have any orders yet. Then overview of our customers, shopping experiences, or some feedbacks. Then we have the themes that you can start with, newsletter recipients, and the store itself. But then we have to set up our pop-ups or notifications or all the add-ons that you can use with your shop. I think that it's pretty easy to set up it because Shopware is giving you all these steps where you can adapt your branding. For example, as you can see, at the moment we are already starting with our store. And step by step, you'll be easily able to basically make your dream come true, which is compared to create your own small shop where you can basically, if someone is demanding I don't know, your art or your work, you can just send them the page and they will be able to order everything from there. So you don't have to invest that much of a time for yourself or your employees. Your customers can do it by themselves, and that will save you time. So guys, if you have any more questions for this beginner's guide, obviously there is more to it. There's a whole lot out of steps. We will cover that in different videos. So thanks for watching. As I said, if you have any questions, leave them underneath the video. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to, and have a great day. See you.